And to create a new house, you have to go to the appearance. Appearance. When you go to the appearance, you will see that there is already some themes which are already here, which is created by WordPress. It is recommended by WordPress. But these themes we will not use. We will use some theme which has got a lot of value, because today in this session what we are trying to do, we are trying to put a website which is like a web e-commerce site where you have got everything. Payment system is there, products are there, you can buy products. So it will be a completely e-commerce site which you can sell your goods all over the world. It's like a global business online. So that is the purpose today. So for that, these themes will not help. One of the theme which we will be using, and first of all, why we will be using that theme is because that theme requires different plugins and resources which are free of cost. So there are many such themes which can create e-commerce, but the problem is when you will use those themes, what will happen? The kind of plugin and material it will be requiring will be paid. So what I'm going to tell you today is we are going to select something where there is no payment. It's free of cost. You can create a website, your complete website. You can even put your courses. You can sell your courses also online on that website. So this is the kind of website which will be created. So for that, we will add some new thing. Okay. So we'll press add new thing. And one of the best themes for this purpose is Astra. Astra. So we will use this Astra thing, because Astra, the advantage of Astra is that if you use this theme, it has got some starter templates, and within those templates there are few templates which uses resources which are freely available. All those plugins are free, and you can create a fully functional e-commerce website. That is that. Okay. So we will install this theme, Astra theme. We are installing this Astra theme. It takes some time for installation. And once it is now what we are doing, that now we have already installed Astra theme. So once we have installed Astra theme, this is only step one. The second step after installation is always to activate. Now we are activating the theme. It is very important. Now this theme is now activated. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is that now there is a basic structure of your house which is there. It is just the pillars, pillars only. It is not actually a house, it is just a pillar. So now you have to build a proper house using that pillar. So after activating Astra, now we have the pillars of the house, but house walls, doors, everything has to be put as per our interest. So for that, what you have to do here, one good thing about this Astra is that once you install Astra, it automatically asks you that do you want to start with Astra? So what it does things automatic. So we'll say, okay, we want to get started with Astra. So we want to build our house. So we are saying, yes, we want to build our house. So as you can see here, it is saying that it is activating. Actually, it is already activated. But what it will do, it will guide us in building our house. That is the advantage with this. Okay. So what it's saying, it is saying that there are 4 different types of construction software to build your house. So basically they are actually just like your contractor who make your house. So you have got 4 contractors. You have to choose one contractor out of this. And the best contractor, which is very free of cost, it helps you many things, is the Elementor. Elementor is very easy way of doing things. It builds your website very smoothly without any problems, and it does the best thing almost on free of cost. So you don't pay anything until your website becomes very professional later on. Maybe you require it, but normally you do not need to pay anything in Element. So I will choose Element as the page builder who will build the house on this pillar. Okay. Now Astra says that, okay, you have chosen the page builder. Now you choose the design of the house. Which design of house is good for you in this aspect? Now, if you can choose any design of the house. The problem with it is that if you choose any house here, it will require some construction material, which is in the form of plugins, or which is in the form of some resources which are paid. So we will choose a design of a house which does not require any paid plugins.
Okay.
So after doing research, one house which is a complete house, which is like a whole store, like a storehouse where you can buy and sell goods, you can collect payment. That one of the very famous one, and which is free, everything is freeware, is Simply Natural. So we will use this Simply Natural. Now here you can see in this store, you will find that the things which are being sold are plants, which we can always change. If we want to sell our courses, we can change the pictures, we can change the products. I will tell you how it is done. I will tell you later. But it can.
This is just the designing.
It is just the designing. It is just giving you an idea that this is the kind of house which is you are making. You see the house, you run the house, everything is working. So there are two ways of making a house. Either you make a house from the very scratch, or you can just plug and play the whole house like this, and once it is there, you change the design. You change not the change the design. Design will not. You can change the design also, but you can change the contents. You can change the pictures. You can change the products. But basic method of using this house will remain same, which is a storehouse, which is an e-commerce site, which is your global business. Internationally, you can sell your goods or services or courses.
Yes.
You can sell, right? So we will use this Simply Natural. Now, here again, I told you that you can build it page by page also, but that will take a lot of time building it. So better is to import the complete site, totally complete functional site. We import with all the material which is required, and luckily all the material is free of cost. All the plugins are free. Okay, this. So we will do what we'll do. We'll click import the complete site, so that in very short time our site is working, and we can use that site completely. So what I will say import. Now what it is doing, it is importing the complete house, which is called Simply Natural. Within the theme, Astra theme, within the Astra theme, it is a house. The name of this house design is Simply Natural. Now, using this, you can create a complete house which is ready-made. Plug and play, ready-made. And after you install the house, you can make your modification as per your design. You can decorate your house whatever way you want, and it will look like your store, whatever the type of store you want. Whether you want a store for some plants, whether you want the store for books, you want the store for your courses, you want the store for your online sessions, you can do everything. So in the meantime, what it is doing, because we are importing the complete site. Now complete site means it is step by step. It has started building automatically. So it is a artificial intelligence kind of thing. It's an automatic completion of the house which is taking place, and the name of the house is Simply Natural. So this is, a very big development which has happened in recent time, where the time is reduced for building website,
Yes, definitely.
because your complete website is being created automatically. Otherwise, what is happening right now, if you do it yourself, it will take at least 1 month time, because you have to use so many plugins. You have to understand which plugin, how to put it, everything. So your 1 month time is reduced to just few minutes in this. And luckily, all the plugins which this website uses, which I'm suggesting to you, is free of cost. So this is the beauty of WordPress and the themes which are available from different companies. And within those themes, it is the beauty of the constructed houses, ready-made designs. And I have chosen Simply Natural, but you can search on the net. There can be some other designs also of the house. But let me tell you, you will not need to take any further design, because within this house also you can make a lot of designs as per your need. But for this, you have to have some understanding of using Elementor, because this site is being built automatically by the page builder which we have chosen as Elementor. Now Elementor itself is free. Now free Elementor is very powerful.
Okay.
For very professional site, probably you will have to pay for Elementor. So that is the beauty of Elementor, and it is one of the most used. Now I am very happy that within few minutes our house is
Yes,
already
yes.
built. It is saying,
Website
hooray,
importance.
the website imported successfully. Go ahead, customize the text, images, design to make it yours, have fun.
Mm.
We try our best to use images that are free from legal perspectives. However, we do not take any responsibility. We strongly advise website owners to replace the images and any copyrighted media before publishing them. Right? So this is very important.
Very
That
important.
all the pictures, and I will tell you that how you can completely change your design. You can recreate your house from this in very short time.